Today's March 8th, 2019, and this is episode 66 of PlaneSavers. Good morning, everybody. It is Friday. It is a great day, but it is 90 days away from June 6th. So that's basically 3 months away from what we need to do, basically a time frame from what we need to get our D-Day airplane flying. And if I said I wasn't nervous, I'd be lying to you guys. There's a lot of work to do. And yeah, we've been having a lot of fun with the YouTube stuff here, and a lot of the episodes a lot of it is just me learning how to do all this stuff. But we're gonna have to be getting into the nitty-gritty here pretty quick, which is gonna start with a call to Ronnie. Ronnie's gonna tell us what parts he has, what parts we need, and I gotta get Rod, because we still remember, if you remember a long time ago, Rod found an engine that we can use. It's got about 250 hours on it. We're going to have to actually call him up, or call him on that favor, because we're going to need another engine. We have two in Red Deer. One's got a blown blower in it, like the blower shows signs of damage, which we don't want. So we'll bring that engine down most likely as a backup spare, but we're going to need a good engine. Yeah, so yeah. Oh, a lot of stuff going on, and it's crazy. Another cool, awesome news is I just got a text message. Our super secret episode has been approved. I already have it edited, whole 9 yards. I'm going to be airing that tomorrow as our special Saturday episode. So guess what, folks? I get a day off. I've been filming every single day since New Year's. Really, I don't think I've missed a day filming. There's a couple of the early episodes that 2 days are in the one, but you know, every day I've been filming. So yeah, what am I gonna do with my day off? Probably make another video. But yeah, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna load up the super secret episode tonight, and then it will air tomorrow, probably around 2 to 3 o'clock Mountain Time. But I'll make it a premiere feature, so YouTube will send you a notification if you've clicked that bell. So if you're subscribed, make sure you click that bell, and then YouTube will tell you when that episode's going to air. Another thing, folks, is we're so close to 25,000 subscribers. We're at 24,946, I believe. So yeah, so hopefully today, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and let's go over the 25,000 mark, which would be a good Friday. Thank you. Yeah, so anyway, so I got some time until the Ronnie call, but I just got a message on Instagram that Fright has sent me some new videos. I haven't watched them yet. They're being downloaded. So let's head into the hangar now and watch them. Did I mention the temperature? I almost forgot. It is minus 19 degrees Celsius, which is about minus 3 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, so it's I almost forgot the temperature. So I'm gonna head inside right now and watch the Fright video, the same as you. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm gonna be watching it with you. So let's go watch that right now.
Hello Mikey and everyone watching PlaneSavers. Charlie here from the Fright team with a quick progress update for you. So Monday was a good day for us. Our container from Canada arrived, which is a huge boost to everyone here working on the project at Coventry. Yeah, it's been quite a journey for the container. It obviously left Peterborough by truck and then went via rail actually to Montreal, and then from Montreal it was loaded onto the boat and across the pond to the UK. It arrived in Southampton at the back end of last week and finally arrived at Coventry Monday morning. So well, the good news is everything inside the container survived really well. Nothing had moved. We were slightly nervous. I mean, we packed it down really well. Everything was secured very nicely, but there's always that chance that things could move and get damaged. So thankfully, everything was in great condition. So it took about 3 hours yesterday to unload the container. And by the end of the day, some of the items, the cargo floor and a few other bits were already in the paint stripping bay, ready to go onto the aircraft. The guys are pretty desperate for some of these parts. So it's a huge boost to the project and to everyone at Coventry working on it. So yeah, that's a quick update for you. Just to say thanks very much, Mikey, for continuing to do a great job with PlaneSavers. We're all really enjoying following the show this end. That's absolutely fantastic. And thanks for featuring our project Fright on your show. And yeah, if you guys want to check out some more full videos, head over to our new YouTube channel, the Fright C47 Restoration Project, and check out some of our footage on there. Thanks very much and keep you posted.
I want to thank Charlie and the Night Fright crew. You guys, your footage always blows me away. You guys are doing it very professional. I love it. But they actually sent me another video. Check this out. They're making 3D models of the parts in Night Fright for a VR experience. So if you can see this, they're actually taking a series of pictures and uploading them into a computer to get, you know, this amazing thing. Check it out. I didn't even know this existed. Check it out. So folks, go check out the Night Fright YouTube page. Link in the description to learn more about this. This is so cool. Now back to Yellowknife. So I hope you guys like that footage from Night Fright. That 3D modeling looks really cool. And what also looks cool is that the hangar is empty, which means that the C46, or sorry, not the C46, man, it's been a long week, the Electra. So the Electra that Chucky and the boys and all the Red Deer crew we're working on, the C-check is done. It's outside, which is good. And it's almost time to call Ronnie. So I'm gonna go find Rod and I'm gonna go in the boardroom and let's talk to Ronnie and see what he has in Red Deer and what we need for Montreal, because we gotta load up a C-can full of parts and get it to St. Hubert. So I'll find Rod and let's get on the phone to Ronnie.
Hey, Mikey.
Hey, Ronnie.
How's it going?
Good. I got Rod here. So how's everything going in Red Deer today?
Oh, it's good. We're in a freaking snowstorm, though. But yeah, it's good. Just packing all the stuff we had on the floor here so far. I just started packing, boxing the stuff up and then putting it in mail monos.
What parts do you need?
I was thinking about using JKM's old elevators and then the ailerons, taking them off ROD, and we'll need 2 props, as you know. That $250 repaired engine that's in the Yellowknife there that you have. I looked at the ailerons on ROD. We might as well use them because they're just sitting there, eh? And then we'll need 2 props. Matt's sending me down 2 tires. I got the complete tail wheel fork assembly off DTH. I'm loading that too, eh?
You guys got no props down there?
Yeah, no, there's nothing here.
So we would probably want to get anything in Yellowknife down the Red Deer as soon as possible. Get on that C-can, eh?
Yep.
I just got a call from Edmonton, so they can arrange to get the C-can picked up, and I have to talk to Benoit about where we could drop the C-can.
Yep. Okay.
I'm thinking most likely we got a spot, and then hopefully we can get hangar space sometime at the end of April. But we can start outside, hopefully.
So one of the things is, right off the bat, is what airplanes we have there, WZS?
Yeah, it's sitting out here, yep.
Well, we should make sure, check to see where those props sit too with Matt, because if they're just sitting there calendaring out, I'll just take those props, you know what I mean?
I could, yeah, you know, that's a good idea too, and then I could load them in such a way I wouldn't take them apart, and then I would...
Yeah, I'll check on those, because if they only got another year or something on them, might as well use those props.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, if we could find that out from Matt.
Oh, so yeah, I guess we're 90 days. We're three months away. Is there anything else that we're forgetting right now?
No, I've been thinking of something. I think of something just about every day, like barrel stands, a prop build-up stand. You know, if we're putting props together and.
Stuff in Montreal too, like to support the wings. Once the wings come off and that kind of stuff, we can just use drums.
Yeah, we'll just use drums and tires to set them down there.
Cool. Okay, so from a Yellowknife point of view, we got to get that engine sent to you.
Yeah, and find out WZS's props. Shoot me through Matt there if you could. Okay.
Sounds good. Thanks, Ronnie.
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we just talked to Ronnie. Yellowknife here. We got to get the engine out. Yeah, that's about it. That's a major thing we gotta get out. Everything else,
And check on props.
Check on props, but everything else can, theoretically, small stuff like spark plugs could be shipped out last second. So engines, so let's head out on the floor and check out where this engine is.
The number one prop has 2,200 hours and it's due in January of 2020. This is 19, right? So less than a year left. The other one's got 1,800 hours and is due a few months after that. So these are the two props you take.
Cool.
They're good. The ADs aren't due. The overalls aren't due. Yet they're just a calendaring out sitting there for no reason. Plus, these are actually the two perfect props.
Perfect.
Serviceable props. They just happen to be installed. Now the key is you got to convince your dad that that's okay, because we have two new props that Clifford could find and stick it on there if we had to use the airplane again.
Okay, folks, that's great. So what that means is the two props that are on WZS and Red Deer only have, less than a year left worth of time before they have to be sent out for overhaul, which is exactly the amount of time we need just to get the airplane flying our D-Day bird on D-Day, which is 3 months away. So perfect. So once D-Day's over, Oshkosh's over, we can also find different props somewhere else. Right now, it's trying to keep the cost as low as possible and the complexity as low as possible. So we could take off props, keep them complete, throw them in the sea can, and get them to Montreal. But also, the engine. So if you remember a long time ago, I don't even know what episode this was, but like 60 episodes ago, Rod showed us this engine. This is a DC-3 engine 1830, Pratt & Whitney 1830. And it has 250 hours on it, so it's not brand new, but it's pretty new. And we're going to use that because it's a known engine on DTD. We just got to make sure that this thing is now packaged up properly and sent to Red Deer. Once this gets to Red Deer, the C-Can is going to head off to Montreal. I got to talk to Benoit. We don't even have a place to put it yet. We don't even have a place to work on the airplane yet officially. So we're working on that behind the scenes. And hopefully you like today's episode. It was a fun one today. Good to talk about Ronnie. Good to, start making progress towards the D-Day bird. Tomorrow is the super secret episode. Has nothing to do with DC-3s, has nothing to do with D-Day, any of that stuff. It's just a cool episode for you guys. Hopefully you like it. I can't wait for it. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to have pretty much the day off. My mom's in town, so I get to hang out with my mom. Yeah, all good, man. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. We're going to do a live stream on Sunday, so that's 2 p.m. Mountain Time. I know there's a time change, so 2 p.m. on Sunday. I don't know what Zulu is, but maybe someone writes in the comments. Live stream. Same time every time, but yeah, we got daylight savings, so all good. I'm rambling, but I'm Friday rambling. Thank you for getting this far in the video. You're a rock star. Love you guys, and we'll see you on Sunday. Well, actually, you're going to see future Mikey tomorrow, and tell him I say hi. See you guys. Bye.